videos are racking up thousands of views and are satisfying to watch. Now let me teach you how. Okay guys, so once you log into your ChatGPT account, you're gonna go ahead and paste the prompt that I'm leaving in the description, and then hit the enter button, okay? And let's see what ChatGPT gives us. So as you can see, ChatGPT has generated 5 miniature construction houses for us, okay? So what you can do, you can just go through them and determine which one that you want. If you don't like it, you can easily ask ChatGPT to create new ones below, okay? Type in more, hit enter. It will easily create 20 more suggestions for you, okay? I'm going to choose number 13, which is a miniature colonial farmhouse construction. Then hit the enter button, okay? Okay, guys, so as you can see, ChatGPT has completed our opening image prompt. And below this, if you click on the arrow, you will see the video prompts. It's a total of 6 video prompts, okay? And so what you would do is go back to the top and go ahead and copy and paste the opening image prompt, okay? Then right click and hit copy. Okay, guys, so the next thing you want to do is go to Google, type in Flow AI. Once that's done, click on this one right here. Okay, guys, I already have an account with Flow AI, but if you didn't, you can easily create one by linking it to a Google account. Once that's done, come down here and click on New Project. Okay, come below and click on Video. Click on image, change the ratio to 9:16. Make sure it is on Nano Banana 2 because we want it to be free. You can click on 2. This represents how many images Flow AI will create for us for free. Once that's done, right click and let's paste the prompt from ChatGPT and hit the enter button. So Flow AI has created our 2 images. It does look pretty good. This one looks good. That's realistic. Let me click on this one as well. So I'm going to go with the second one here, okay? So what I'm going to do is right click. I'm going to click on animate. All right. I'm going to come down here and make sure it's on video. And I'm going to make sure this has 1x. I only want to create one video. Okay, guys, we're back in ChatGPT for our video prompt. Go ahead and copy it, right click, okay? Next thing you want to do is come down here and right click and paste your video prompt and hit the enter button, okay? So our video is ready. As you can see, it looks realistic. The quality is very good as well. Yeah, so once that's done, we're gonna make sure that you have this thing right here at the end of the video, at the end of the frame. Okay, guys, so now that we have the thing at the end of the frame, we're gonna come up here and we're gonna click on this to save the frame. So make sure you click on this box here, guys, in the right corner, okay? Okay, guys, as you can see, the video frame has been saved as an image at the top, okay? We are back in ChatGPT, and we're gonna go ahead and copy our second video prompt, okay? We're back in Flow AI. We're gonna come to the top, click on the 3 dots. Once again, click on animate and paste our video prompt from ChatGPT, and then hit the enter button. Now you will continue to do this process until you have all your video prompt scenes complete, okay? Okay, guys, so once again, come back down and make sure you drag it all the way to the end of the frame. Come up here at the top. Make sure you click on this box. It will say Save Frame at the top. So once you have all your videos downloaded, go to your favorite editing software. Okay, guys, I have chosen to use Canva as my editing software. As you can see, I've uploaded the videos down below. I've added the black here to make it pop on both ends. Once that's done, easily go up and hit the share button and just download it, okay? And it's just that simple. For more tutorials like this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.